Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here for this quick tutorial. Act has introduced some new rates for their software program. So I want to show you this and talk to you about Act Advantage. So I'm going to come up and click on pricing. I'm going to go inside pricing, and now you'll see there are some new types of plans. They are called Act Advantage Standard, Professional, and Ultimate. I'm personally using the Act Advantage Professional. Yes, I am paying for my account, even though I get a free account as an ACT certified consultant. And I do that because I want to understand what your experience is like as an ACT software user. So I'm actually paying for my own account directly. So the ACT Advantage versus the ACT Standard. So what they've done is they've introduced a lot of new tools inside of ACT. So now they have quoting software. They have a calendar component, so you can use it for scheduling. They have forms, they have surveys, they have a chat feature. So they've really upped their game and brought all these new tools and components inside. So this just came out about a week ago, maybe 8 days ago, and I'm still getting used to it, testing it, trying to understand the way it works. And what I think you should know about this is just added value, and you can decide not to use any of this information or any of the tools that are built in. So it's there for the taking if you want it. And over time, I'm going to teach you how to use some of the software. I think the two tools that people will most likely use is the quoting software, which I think can be adapted to most businesses, and also the form software. So if you want to create forms for newsletters or your website or anything of that nature, those will be a great component. And when you use the forms, as someone fills them out, all of that information comes right back into ACT. So you don't have to enter it. It's really quite nice. So I think everyone will have a different take on this, but my feeling is you have some great new options as an ACT software user. If you're currently using the ACT installed version, you can upgrade so that you can use both. The cloud is where it's at with ACT software these days, but they don't want to forget about you. They know you still might want to use the desktop software. The beauty is you can use both for a little bit extra money. It's very affordable to add the second component of the cloud to the desktop. So give me a call if you have any questions, and I'd be more than happy to walk you through it. Again, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much for taking the time to listen to this, and you have a great day. Be well, my friends.